Kel, and I'm back to do another video for you guys. Hey, so the video that I have up for you next is, of course, okay, we got the perfect hairline, fully hand-tied, 13x4 lace wig, Kyra, or Kyra, I'm not sure, but I have her in number 2. Of course, I will put the the picture on the side somewhere, either side, it don't matter. I'll be putting her there so you guys can see her. And of course, this is her right here. Now, I've already filmed this video and I made some crucial mistakes, so I'm trying to fix that in this video. So what I did the first time was I put her on and I was in a rush, so I did not tint her lace. Mistake. That was a mistake. I did not tint her lace. I only tinted like the part in the front or whatever, but that's what my makeup was anyways. But of course, she's 13x4. She has the 2 combs in the front. She has the adjustable strap. What is going on? Why can't I speak? She has the band in the back for the pea hair girls, and she has adjustable straps. Okay. I am going to, because I already cut the lace off and all that stuff, I may still show that, but then I may not because I didn't like it. So, so what I'm going to do is probably tint this lace on camera and then put her on, and that's all I got for you, okay? So I'll be right back with the wig on.
Baby, I see you working hard, wanna let you know, I'm proud, let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you about it, you inspire me to be better, challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour out my love letter. Let me help you, take off your shoes, untie your shoestrings, take off your cufflinks. What you wanna eat, boo? Let me feed you, let me run your bath water, whatever you desire. I'll aspire, sing you a song, turn the game on. I'll brush your hair, put your durag on. Want a foot rub, want a manicure. Baby, I'm yours, I wanna cater to you, boy. Let me cater to you. 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 I promise ya, I keep myself up, remain the same chick you fell in love with. I keep it tight, I keep my figure right, I'll keep my hair fixed, keep rocking the hottest outfits. When you come home, they tap me on my shoulder, I roll over. Baby, I heard you, I'm here to serve you. This love you need, to give it is my joy.
Hey guys, I am back with Kyra on. Okay. Now, I have her in number 2, and of course, it's from the Outre Perfect Hairline Collection. Now, I don't particularly like this wig. I don't like this wig at all. I don't. First of all, let me say thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me over this wig. I almost forgot that. Thank you so much, Sam's Beauty, for sending me over this wig. I really do appreciate you guys for aiding in my wig addiction. I say that all the time, but I really do mean it. Anyways, I don't like this wig, y'all. Is she pretty? Yes, the style is pretty, but I don't know what it is about this hair. So, okay, when I first wore it, I was running out the house because once I left was the time I needed to be where I need to be. So when I did the wig or whatever, I made some mistakes. With the lace, I was supposed to tint the lace. I didn't tint the lace. I was trying to run out the house, blah, blah, blah. So I didn't do that. But now I have, and I wore that wig all that night. So I wore that wig from maybe 6 until like 11 or something like that. So that's about 5 hours of wearing this wig. And the wig was it was tangling, it was shedding, it was doing all of the above, and I was over it. Is the style cute? Yes. Style is super cute. I don't know, y'all. I just, like, look at it. Look at it. I want y'all to be aware of it. Like, I'm not playing. Like, I'm not trying to obviously put too much glue over here, but ooh. Like, I just want y'all to see the wig. Mind you, I just combed it out. I wouldn't have got on camera if I didn't comb the wig out before I did that, right? Right. So, I don't know. She's a cute style. Really, really cute style. I really do like the style. I guess that this is supposed to be, I put too much glue right here, but, well, too much. I sprayed it over there. I guess this was supposed to be their version of the Audrey wig from Sensational, which was fine. And mind you, y'all know I love Outre. Like, my 2020 best wigs got, out of the 5 wigs, it was 4 Outre wigs. I love Outre. And I love this line. This wig right here is just not it for me. It's just not it. It's just not doing it. Is it pretty? Yes. It's a really, really pretty style. I hate that it's tangling. I hate that it's shedding. Mind you, it shouldn't be tangling, y'all. She's short. Like, she a good 14 inches. She shouldn't be shedding. I mean, well, tangling. But she's cute. Like, if you really wanted to do like some styles with her or whatever, like the half up, half down is really, really cute. Like, she cute. I just don't know why she's tangling as much as she is. And mind you, the bigness of it, that don't even bother me. Like, y'all know I love big hair. I'm big hair, don't care over here. I mean, and also another thing about this wig is this wig fits me perfectly. Which I keep telling y'all, I'm the president of P-head gang because my head is small. Now, my head is small and it's fitting me perfectly. I do not have my straps adjusted. I do have the band on, so that could be why I'm getting a snugger fit, but it fits me perfectly. My little head, it fits perfectly. So if you a bigger head gal, this ain't for you. This one right here ain't it for y'all. But she's a cute style. I just hate that she's tangling so much. I really, look at this. I just combed her out. Y'all saw me. Just comb her out. And see, here go the shedding. Take it to shedding. And I don't know, that night when I wore her, that was my first time wearing her. They were just like, oh, let me put on one of my new wigs. And y'all, this one ain't it. It ain't it for me. I do appreciate Sam's Beauty for sending it to me though. I really, really do. I love y'all so much for sending it to me. But this one right here, y'all, this one ain't it. I'm not feeling her. I'm really not feeling her. I'm sorry. I'm just not. But she's a cute style. And you know, this is a higher price range. So that's what I want you guys to be aware of, that this wig is from the Perfect Hairline collection. Meaning it costs a little bit more. This is about a $40 to $50 price range. So for $40 to $50, you should be able to get a better quality wig. Definitely in hair and all of that stuff. And this is just not doing it. I'm sorry, it's not. I'm sorry. But is she cute? Yes, very cute. If you wanted to make her work, you could. I just don't feel like I had the time to. And mind you, I wore her out. So I was constantly brushing her throughout the night, like going to the bathroom to brush her out or trying not to touch my hair because it just wasn't acting right. Like, it just wasn't doing it. But this is it. I do love the style. I'm just not for the tangling and the shedding. But everything else is pretty much okay, I guess. If I was to rate this wig, it'd probably be a 6. I don't know if that's a good rating though. So y'all take that as you will. I'm just telling you my experience with this wig. I'm just not feeling it as much. But that's it. If you guys like this wig, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this wig, go ahead and tell me down in the comment section, because I kind of agree with you. If you got something else to say about it, go ahead and leave in the comment section. Go ahead and share this video with all of your wig loving friends, and of course subscribe to me, because I would appreciate you being a part of my family. And that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.